Huwag kang maingay, I know.
Ayan o, ang daming bunga o.
Ganito. Ano yung friend?
Sama. Init ako ito o. Dito tayo.
Apple.
Apple?
Okay, yan, good. 1, 2, 3.
Manyaman na rin actually.
Si Kayla dito.
Okay, when you pick.
Yun o, karang baka. Itang malari naman ko lang yun. Daddy, ang ganda dito yung... Come on, look at that. Look at that.
Just leave the bag here.
Magandang Kayla. Kayla, apple. Ayan, ayan. Bulan na yan.
Pre, tsaka. Galing. Oh, I help you.
Never enough.
Eh, isang puno lang pala, mapupuno eh.
Yeah.
It's a big one. I'll get it.
Ganda nila, no? Ang ganda, no, Sos?
Mm.
Ganyan yung ano pre, ganyan umihirit.
Oo nga.
Mas maganda to.
Oo, oo, oo.
Ang ganda,
Namumula na yung pisngi, oh. Tignan mo.
namumula yung pisngi, oh.
Mula yung pisngi.
It's so sweet.
Take your picture.
Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Wala naman ang babad. Mommy, is that enough apples for us? Good. Oh, gusto niya.
When enough, nag-give that one.
Puno na.
Evan?
Kuchun, kuchun, kuchun.
Ako na
Chun, chun. Lunch na ito, ano? Lunch. Oh.
Tago mo sa bulsa mo. Nahulog ko yan.
Sayang. Ito po, paketa.
Ako, wala ka ng laptop. Ano lang, pang-editing lang yung laptop ko. Tsaka, yung laptop ni Joffrey, yung gaming laptop niya. Ang ganda. Mamaya makita mo.
Pwede ka lang.
No, karin yung waring kain. Green.
Got it.
Yes, so my street. Oh, you said that. My mom said, I can't believe it. Yeah. But now she's coming in. Have you met them before? Oh, yeah.
Hoy!
I was just saying because I think two of the boys we coach.
Tinang, look at Caleb.
Secret!
Maninay lakit ang pwesto ng red. Pabiyas ng po dito ka grocery. Sabi sa mamye apple. Really?
Ano natin ko, baby?
Na beef with Kai.
With mushroom?
Yeah, with
Vegetables.
yeah, itang sizzling plate ya. Gunil jope. Beef gulay na mo.
Chini, spinach, rinano, snow pea.
Rice siya kung nag-share ka
Para na yung may paisip muna yung isip yung ino pa sa agad sa bed.
Uyan, uyan.
Mami, what my food? Ay, gusto. Can you wait?
Do you want chicken? Chicken?
And the beef.
Ay, pinigay mo?